Was Fedora Linux better when it was first released? Here we have the first version of Fedora Linux ever made. And then we also have the latest and greatest Fedora Linux. Is the first version even usable compared to the latest and greatest, or is it going to fall apart and break very quickly? Fedora Core 1 boot. No hard drives have been found. You probably need to manually choose device drivers. Okay. And let's install this one as well. Install the hard drive. How would you like to install? Use entire disk. Next. Encryption. No. Erase data and install. And now it's installing. Super simple. Also, this thing is super ancient. I'm not sure if we are even gonna be able to install it. Oh, and yeah, there's the installer. Copyright 2003. This one, interestingly, is asking us to configure our monitor and other hardware. But this is a pretty simple installation, actually. Installation type, personal desktop, workstation, server. I think we have to do personal desktop. And this one is still installing. Oh yeah, and this Linux version offers automatic partitioning. It should be very grandma-proof. Enter root password for the system. Install default software packages. Next. Next. Continue. And now the system is getting installed. Congratulations, the installation is complete. Successfully installed. So let's reboot this one, and let's reboot this one. Welcome. English. Next. Typing. Next. Next. Time zone. Next. Next. About you. Next. Password. Next. Start using Fedora Linux. Next. License agreement. I agree. Next. Just in case, let's set the year super old. User account, data stream. Next. Uppercase characters, I cannot use them, what the hell? Next. 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 Finish setup. Next. Welcome to Fedora Linux 44. And there's like a tutorial, basically. Let's skip it. And now we have to log in on this one. And this is how both of these desktops look right after you install them. Installation was super simple, but now we have to actually try using the operating system and see if it even works. I want to change the screen resolution. System settings. Let's go to display, this one. You're attempting to run Red Hat config x386 administrative privileges. So I have to type in a password to modify my settings. Resolution 16p. I only have these resolutions because I think I don't have VMware tools or something. And on this one, let's just go to display settings. And let's just set it. I think I'm gonna just adjust the scaling. I wanna see, does the package management even work on this old one? I just googled it, and on this one we have RPM. And on this one we also have yum. Update. Please ask your sysadmin to update the headers on this system. Yum install nano. Gathering header information from servers. Yum update. No. On here the system is so old the package management is not going to work because apparently the headers are outdated or the servers are completely dead. But I think you could get it to work if you edited the yum config file to point towards Fedora archives of the headers. When I grab a window, there's like a plus sign that appears. But when it comes to this newest Fedora, of course everything works right out of the box. We can just sudo dnf update. Then what we can do is upgrade everything. Sudo dnf upgrade. And then we can of course sudo dnf install Firefox or something. So this one of course works. That's not really surprising. About GNOME desktop, this is GNOME 2.4 and this build is from 2003. I think I want to see how do you manage files on both of these systems. Can we even do that on Fedora Core 1.0? Such a dumb question. Of course we can. On this one we can just open up files and by default Fedora GNOME uses Nautilus, of course. While this one, what does this one use? I don't even know. Help, about. Yeah, this is also Nautilus, but it's 2.4. I only have one folder inside of home, it seems like. Desktop, start here. System, what are these folders? Login screen, keyboard. I think these are like settings. Okay, but let's go to desktop. Right click, create folder. Hello. And we have a folder. And on this one, let's go to desktop and create a new folder. Hello. And there we have it. And there's like a guide here as well. Oh yeah, there's also one. But one of Linux's strong points has always been customizability. But is that also the case with first ever Fedora? I want to check out some themes. Preferences, okay, theme. And on this one, I guess we can just go to settings and we have this appearance tab. Alternatively, we can also install GNOME tweaks. Sudo dnf install GNOME tweaks. Well, on this one, we have a lot more options by default, it seems like. On here, by default, on this appearance tab, we can change light mode or dark mode, accent colors, and just the background. background, basically. And this exact themes menu we also saw on first ever Ubuntu, because that one also used GNOME too. And I think this one also comes with the exact same themes that that one also had. So these ones are just preloaded by default. And this one even says Red Hat Linux default theme. It's not like Fedora Linux or something. And on this one, let's open up tweaks. Oh, and yeah, we can also install GNOME extensions to add some extensions to our system. Okay, and now we can customize the system a bit deeper. Appearance. And here we can change the cursor, the icons, legacy, high color. These are the ones that come by default. On which operating system there's better default backgrounds? Let's see, what do we even have? We have like 20 backgrounds maybe. On this one also something around that range. All of these wallpapers look pretty cool on the newest one. That one looks pretty good. Dragonfly, flowers and leaves, frosty pipes. This one looks quite cool. Yellow flower. And what else? Space. We have space wallpapers. What the hell? What is this one? That looks freaking weird. Apollo Earthrise. Interesting. There's like a bunch of pictures bundled with this operating system. What the hell? Okay, I found this folder called Propaganda, and there's like a bunch of weird pictures. And now one of the most important parts. Programs. And as usual, just like in the previous videos, I'm gonna try to run GIMP on both of them. Why on this one? This is called dgimp. Welcome to GIMP user installation. GIMP 1.2. Okay, we have to install it. Continue. God, that looks so weird, and it installed super quick, in like a second or something. Welcome to the GIMP. And on this one we don't have GIMP by default, which I guess is positive. No one really wants bloatware on their system. But let's install it ourselves. Sudo dnf wait, actually I want the latest release. To get the latest GIMP I have to use Flatpak. And then Flatpak install flathub.org GIMP. Just like that. And while that one is installing, let's set up a new document on this one. Let's put these windows in their places, like this. About the GIMP. Wilbur of Sons GIMP. The best in digital art. Version 1.2.5, brought to you by Spencer and Peter. This one is just GIMP 3.2, it's not the GIMP. You installed GIMP, close. This one by default is in one window. It's not like separate objects like on this one. And let's create a new document on this one. New? Okay. Give me a proper brush. D-A-T-A. And on this one as well. D-A-T-A. Okay, very cool. And now let's do the pepper, like this. Super cool. And now this one, also pepper. Really cool. So that's kind of how GIMP functions on both of these systems. How do I close this one? Do I have to close everything individually, or can I just... Okay. And this one, old one, also for some reason comes with a bunch of games. Yeah, they are pre-installed games. Modern GNOME doesn't really come with games pre-installed. I think it used to, but it doesn't anymore. We would have to separately install them. So there's just a bunch more pre-installed software on this one than there is on modern Fedora. Anyway, you can check out a very similar video to this one about Linux Mint, and I'll see you there.